This bad boy. All right. Made it to the motor park. It's a park vehicle. Woo! Oh damn. We get literally a trailer full of people. This is how we're gonna get over there.
Wow.
That's a hell of a reuse of a car trailer right there though.
Wow.
A car trailer with a bench on, that's pretty great.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, these people got a full-on setup over the top of their car and everything. All right, so we are in, what is this, like Tacoma area? Something like that, Tacoma area.
There's a shuttle.
We're going to NHRA Races. So at the parking place, just, all right, we'll pick back up when we get to the action. Try not to get run over. On the shuttle ride. We made it. Sweet.
You have a good one.
Thanks, sir.
Glad you found your wallet. Thank you. Glad you found that.
Cool. Okay.
Get back to find his wallet. He scared himself. They couldn't find it. Tried to keep it.
Now we gotta figure out how to get in. Cool. Just trying to figure out how to get in now. I can hear engines running.
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know if that's big diesel trucks running or if that's engines or what.
I don't know.
Woo! We're getting it. We're at the NHRA Races, baby. Let's see. Look at this one. Woo! Oh, that sounds good. I'm intrigued. Back there. They were running a dragster back there, that's what it was. Ooh, all the Lincoln, all the, oh, I should have brought my torque wrench. Could have had it tested. Shame. No, I think if we circle around the back, we can see some of those nitro cars running. Woo, smells good. Horsepower headquarters. Yeah, I can hear them running them. Oh yeah, see they're working on them over there. I wonder if that's, I think we can circle around and get over there. No, the little baby batteries. Oh my god, those are cute. Those little tiny batteries are so cute. That was funny as hell. Alright, how do we get over there, I wonder? What's a dragster? Drag teams. Gotta make a huge loop, it looks like. Moving so slow. Oh, yeah, I can hear him running over there. Get it. Bean water espresso? That's funny as hell. Oh, look, there's the Toyota section. We'll definitely have to check out the Toyota section.
You want to go to that trailer?
Sweet!
My throat was burning for sure.
It smells like fuel. Smells like a dragster.
heavy form of racing.
Okay, now we're getting to it. Check out some dragsters. There we go. There we go. Sick. Now right there's your dream place to work as a mechanic. It's on one of these teams right here.
He comes up for the whole weekend, and
Really?
he gets like these paths to like the different. I think Ron Caps is the thing, and they have the executive thing that you pay for so you can hang out with.
Oh yeah.
In their sector,
Hang out in here with these guys. That's cool as hell.
that's my pay grade.
Yeah, me too,
They're
right?
gonna start that car, put it on.
Oh, cool. Good timing to start this thing up.
I didn't see him.
Hang on for a second. Oh, excuse me. Just a sea of cameras. Oh, if you could smell through the camera. Good Lord. Okay, yeah. That's not burns. Holy shit.
I just went up.
We made it. Okay. Next up. That was fun. Holy crap. Like about to shave like 5 years off my life probably. Holy shit. Oh, excuse me. Oh man. That was gnarly. Oh, risk. Gosh, exactly. Woo. I know, right?
If you would have just done this way like 15 feet or 10 feet, it cleared up in the end.
I had to bail. I was like, oh my god, my eyes are burning, literally. That was gnarly. Woo! Oh my gosh, damn. I think I get used to it. That's crazy. I don't either. Oh my gosh, damn. That's amazing. All right, where are we gonna go? What do you think? Well, they're working on the other one over here. God. Woo! Woo! Where are we starting up at? Another one. Follow the sound of engines running. Yeah. Holy crap. Holy crap, holy. Yeah, you can see the flames coming out of the exhaust on that one. I had to just sneak up in there. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, my eyes are, I don't know if my eyes are gonna recover for a while from this one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm like, I gotta get this footage. So I got in there deeper and I was like, okay, I'm gonna die, I gotta get out of here. I literally couldn't get my eyes open, I couldn't breathe, so I was like, okay, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna literally pass out and somebody to wake me up. Ugh, I think my eyes are like sticky. Good God, that's crazy.
Those guys don't have any eye protection.
I don't know, yeah, that's crazy. The other guy's standing right next to it. They're standing right there like they're not a problem. It's pretty nuts. All right, well, we'll come back to you. We're gonna go check some stuff out and we'll get right back to you. Find something else to check out. Had a good conversation with another creator. I have a lot of creators out at places like this trying to get footage and create stuff. See, bring some value to you guys. Check out the Snap-on guys out here repping, getting after it. Hell yeah! Snap-on tune, baby.
I do $10 right now.
Ooh. Builders here. Oh, these are the not top fuel. These are like the next level down from the top fuel dragsters. Still, the engines on those things are insane. Good lord. Look at that toolbox. The toolbox straight up. Engine starting noises. You know me, I'm attracted to the sound of an engine starting. I can pull up to that at a light. Good luck with that.
So those are like 500 cubic inch normally aspirated.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, fully NA. I don't see any turbo, supercharger, nothing. Just NA. Those are probably, yeah, like you said, probably like 500 cubic inch. Probably big engines. Yeah. 8 liter, something like that. Something ridiculous. Woo.
Well exercise. Good morning. How's everybody doing? You feel good after that track walk?
Very cool. Alright, we made it to the stands.
Right away. There. For those who have their they take their slots before you race back your day. You'll be ready to go back racing. The Buckle Shooting Cedar Resort Northwest Nationals. Your appreciation will never go.
So it begins. Let's go. A couple of top fuel cars lined up there.
Headphones will be going on pretty quick here. Earmuffs, I guess it is called.
By those beautiful T-6 World War II Texan aircraft, piloted by Alan Anders and Craig Nelson. Come through. Heritage Flight Museum in Skagit County, we appreciate them helping to put that together along with myaudiovideo.com and some more top fuel almost to life here.
Alright, it's about to get real loud.
At the Buckle Shooting Cedar Resort Northwest Nationals.
That's fun.
On a hole shot, 3.751 beats 3.746. Tony Stewart, the points leader, gets it done on the starting line by 0.03 of a second. Stewart was 73 on the tree. Josh Hart's
I think I might have even missed
Josh
that.
Hart makes his best run of the weekend, 374.6, 331 miles per hour, but it's Tony Stewart into the next round of the hole shot, Joe.
Neil Strasbaugh, Antron Brown pulled into the water box. The driver got it done right there. Whole shot.
3.7 seconds. Okay, round one.
Right here, you obviously on
371 for AB, 335 miles per hour. The world champion goes to round two. Clay Milliken goes 373.9 at only 293 miles per hour. He was quicker than Antron in every incremental, and the car went 5 before the finish line. Here's the Play NHRA replay.
Right there, you can see it.
What is
That's 340. That's a track record. He called that one.
Down here with John Collins, 340 has been normalized in NHRA Top Fuel thanks to this team.
Yeah, we were just talking about it was going to get probably going to get a track record out here today because of the track conditions were so good.
Yeah. Sit. Nicely done. 340 miles an hour. Woo!
Put my phone in my pocket.
Ferre and Ron Smith in that team. 428, 275 miles per hour. They came up here on Friday.
No, it's okay, I actually.
336.4.
Crazy.
The fastest run of the weekend.
Right lane car had some sort of an issue. Interesting.
Frustrated Austin Brock leans into it, takes it down. 8:62 60-foot time for Austin. He's out of the throttle before 100 feet.
I guess that tells you Chevy takes it.
Just misses. Resetting the track record here in round number 1 of Funny Car. He goes 383.9, 335. Low ET of the weekend in Nitro Funny Car for the team that was not qualified going into the final session yesterday. A statement run for the pink team. Another look at the play. At Hartford.
We'll be back up at the station.
Couldn't get there. Corey on a hole shot. What a round one upset. 6:49.9, 210 miles per hour. And the Caveman puts Greg Anderson on the trailer in round number one of Mission Foods Pro Stock Eliminator. The points leader is out in round one. 0:43 action time. Cody drives by 6:45.9, 210 miles per hour, and Cody Coughlin resets the Pacific Raceways track record here in Pro Stock, the quickest run in the history of this drag strip in a Pro Stock car. 6.459. Cody Coughlin heads to round number two with a track record break. Dallas Glenn, number one qualifier left. Down on the right, the hometown hero, boy, Dallas Glenn. 6:44.6. Dallas Glenn makes the second quickest run in the history of Pro Stock car, a 6.446 at 212 miles per hour. Only the second driver in the incredible history of Pro Stock to run 6:44. Dallas Glenn joins Greg Anderson in that elite club, the quickest run in the history of the Wow. Greg Stanfield makes one of the 10 quickest runs in the history of the category as well. 6:46.2 at 212 miles per hour.
And my final right here. Beats a 5:46.1. Are you ready for the margin of victory? 3/10,000ths of a second. 0.0003 at the stripe. Matty Gordon drives around Brian Howe in literally the final inch of the racetrack to win that race.
Nothing about that run was normal. Sean Cowie left first with a 2:34 reaction time. He was kind of late bringing the RPMs up. Final lap. 276 miles per hour. Was off the throttle, 414.202 for Brittany Force. Antron Brown and Brian Karate were trying to channel their inner Alan Johnson. 8:28 to 60 feet. I mean, that car was getting after it, and then it pulled the tires free before 330 feet. And by the time Brittany had it, into the semifinals. Justin Ashley left on Doug Coletta and past 330 feet was leading that drag race, but the car started spinning the tires before half track. We saw the haze off the bench. Miles per hour. They were identical to 60 feet. And by 330 feet, Austin Brock was slapping the throttle, and Spencer Hyde puts an end to the corner. With the best driving day she has had in a long time, with an 0:54 reaction time, wins it on a hole shot. 391.8 beats J.R. Todd's 390 with a 7 by 6 thousandths of a second. Alexis DeJoria. Funny car. How about a 386.1 and 331 miles per hour? Matt Hagan makes the second quickest run of the day. On caps and goals in left mile 3.942 for Daniel Wilkerson.
One of the main reasons for poor vehicle performance is the dirty fuel system. It can cause decreased fuel economy and actually retard gear usage over time. By adding instant fuel treatment to your vehicle, it cleans and lubricates the entire fuel system. Pumps, carburetors, fuel injectors,
More drag cars.
drive. It also improves
Cars you get out there, get after it.
It's a non-solvent product designed to protect both gasoline and diesel engines.
Woo!
With this fuel treatment, it works.
The world's fastest motorsports needs some fastest communication.
We'll beat you at Fast Jacks. Beat you at Fast Jacks.
Ooh, we're back here working on it again. Back here getting after it. Speed limit 350.
Well, brother, what are you doing today?
That's funny. They got him back in here. Thing has got no wheels on it. Sitting on the ground. Oh, no, it's got 2 wheels on that side. Yummy. That was good. These guys aren't even back yet. Crazy. Good if they get the good ones. Cool.
They're not back yet.
Oh, they're waiting around for the car to get back. Oh, they're getting into this one now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're high speed turning into that sucker.
Oh, there's the front door, baby.
Oh, yeah. What is that? Looks like it. Really took them out. Tired yet or what? Not yet. Not even close. They probably already have the reason branded on it. They don't realize that how they're going to wrap up and get All right, people, this is where you want to be if you want to be a technician. You want to be high performance. This is the pinnacle of that right here. These guys are good. All right. Oh, you can see what he's doing. Thank you.
give them like an hour. They used to give them 35 minutes. Oh, they give them an hour now. Turn down the whole motor. Start it up, warm it up, and then bring it out there. You gotta get the TV. TV down.
Good diet. They're not playing around.
Well, they got all their components on a tray.
Yeah.
And they just bring the tray out, and then
That's all. It's like a dance.
yeah, they got a
They
guy
know
under,
their job.
got a guy down there underneath, making sure that
Power guy, clutch guy, head guy, fuel guy. She's the girl that's the fuel. I see her do the fuel on her own. But her team is doing really good. I mean, she just beat J.R. Todd by a whole shot. One guy goes underneath, all the oil. The gloves are protecting from getting burned. Because the damn thing's probably 200 degrees.
Oh yeah, literally just came off the line.
right off the line when you can shut it off. Well, she creased twice in a row.
Heat rocks out, heats out. You give it 2 taps and burn.
Wow, yeah.
But there's 2 other cars in it too. Oh, Matt Hagen's still in it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Matt
there-
Hagen's in it still. I don't know. I just watch.
Good thing they do.
Yeah. Yeah, they have to really not get each other's way, but do their job quickly. Definitely not miss anything. And they got to inspect the wear. Replace the head, replace the blow, supercharger, a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I saw the guy working on a supercharger. He was training there.
Yeah. Wear out. You don't want to miss those things.
You have enough battery to get shit built for your suit?
Yeah, that's all good. Oh yeah, we got tearing down an engine, people. Pretty cool. Top Fuel Dragster tear down. Alright, we're gonna go check out some other Top Fuel Dragster teardowns here real quick and we'll get back at you. Woo! Let's see what else we got.
Oh, look at this. Look at these guys. Here, look at it.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Got a bunch of teardowns around here. You guys down there, this part over here. So yeah, these guys got theirs corner part over here. Jeez. That is crazy. Yeah, you can see the lower railings out to the front. Smells good. Smells good.
bring a course.
Lots of engines to tear down around here, people. You gotta tear them down between races, between passes. It's like virtually every team out here getting after it, getting these things torn apart. We're just checking them all out.
Somewhere over here, there's a little thing that will show you the statistics of how much fuel burns per dash, 3 seconds. Basically, put it down.
Right on, we'll get you some more footage as we get rolling through here.
You gotta clutch this. Dope. They're all in the process of tearing them down.
Oof, man, if you could smell this place, it smells like clutch and oil and tires and just freaking everything automotive.
Brake cleaner, I mean, you name it. Some of those guys getting after it. I could smell it, the most definitely. These guys are hustling here. You can tell which cars are still going for the next round.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, because they're actually tearing them down and doing them with speed. Solid. Solid. Crazy. Woo. Woo. Man, it smells like brake clean, something fierce.
This is everything that I wanted to come see.
And the snap-on car is getting torn down. I don't think they're making another run, but they're tearing it down, getting after it.
Putting their tools away and
Yeah, getting all right.
ready to get on the next track.
Cool.
Woo. Like I said, I hope I'm not being too pushy about this.
No, you're good. No, you're way good. Yep, I think we're looking at track bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna probably wrap it up here, people. I think we're gonna call that for this round for the trip for the NHRA races. So we come all the way up here, like 2.5 hours. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. If you liked the video, make sure you guys hit like. My friend Norm here would love it if you guys would subscribe to the channel and definitely come back for any continuing content, anything cool you want to see. We're the place to be. All right, we'll see you a little later. Some footage of the motorcycle gang.
Oh, those look like gang motorcycles.
A lot of people. It's a forest of motorcycles. Man, if you're a biker fan, holy crap, this is like the who's who of what bikes. Maybe even a stretched GXXR or a Ninja or something right there. Look like a Ninja probably.